When you hear the words action camera or camera for adventure, what immediately comes to mind is the brand GoPro. In this video, we will help you decide which is the best GoPro for you. Is it necessarily the older or the new model? So stick to this video, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. What lets GoPro stand out from the rest of the gadgets elsewhere is its image stabilization. Founded in 2002, 2 decades ago, the main aim of the founder of this brand is to have a way to easily capture their surfing adventures, thus putting great emphasis on the ability to keep up with moving subjects without having to trade off the image and video quality. Since then, it continues to innovate and make newer models to satisfy the changing needs of the consumers. Surfers, hikers, cyclists, bikers, climbers, vloggers, and divers are only a few of GoPro's demographic that they consider when thinking of new features and designs. But does it mean that the latest models are better than the old ones? Let's find out. Starting off with the best mid-range GoPro, the Hero9 Black was released in September 2020. Retailing at $450, this model is the first one to have been designed with a front-facing screen. With dual LCD screens, and whatever perspective you may choose to record, you can do it with ease. Video quality is extended up to 5K resolution, and even from that, you can cut stills with a 14.7 MP or megapixels quality. High-quality images can also be taken at 20 MP. Stabilization is taken to the next level with its Hyper Smooth 3.0 paired with horizon leveling. If you wish to go underwater, worry no more as it can be taken up to as deep as 33 feet. It is packed with more features. Because of the hyper smooth design, time warps are extremely stabilized, and the slow motion videos can be taken at 240 FPS at 1080p. In addition, you have the hindsight capture, where the camera takes a shot of happenings up to 30 seconds before you press record. Talk about never having to miss a moment. Live burst, or also known as the continuous shot, takes a sequence of photos up to 1.5 seconds before and after you flicked the button. You also have the schedule capture, which lets you set the moment you would like to record, and the duration capture, which lets you set how long the video should be. The con of buying this camera is that it is quite heavy at 5.6 ounces or 160 grams. It won't necessarily be a bother when you're just holding the gadget, but it has a significant effect when you're mounting it on your helmet. Next is the best budget camera, the GoPro Hero8, which retails at $350. Released in October of 2019, it is built with 2.0 video stabilization, and the video quality is at 4K resolution. From there, you can cut stills with 12 MP resolution. It is equipped with 4 digital lenses, narrow, wide, linear, and super view. Still pretty sick for its price point. The Hero8 is also the first gadget to have mounting fingers directly installed into the camera, making it easier to attach to any accessory without having to put on the case. Despite having been around for almost 3 years now, the Hero8 comes in with the Hero9 features such as the slow motion videos at 240 FPS at 1080p, the live burst that takes continuous shots 1.5 seconds before and after you click the shutter, and the waterproof capability of up to 33 feet. It also has the time warp feature with 2.0 stabilization. Hyper Smooth 2.0 comes in 3 levels: on, high, and boost. You can also get a magical night lapse captured in 4K resolution. Unlike the Hero9, the Hero8 is not yet equipped with a front-facing screen for selfies and the like. However, it has a 3-second and a 10-second timers, perfect for your solo and group shots. Audio capture is excellent in the Hero 8. You have 3 built-in microphones, plus the reduced wind noise feature. The downside to this model is that the lens is not removable. Next is the best 360 action camera, the GoPro Max, which is priced at $550. Released together with the GoPro Hero 8 Black, at this price point, the GoPro Max comes with a lot of features. First off, you get a stunning 5.6K resolution at 60 FPS, plus the Max Hyper Smooth, which gives you maximum stability with horizon leveling. This model is advertised as the ultimate triple threat. You get 3 cameras all in one device: the Hero-style video and photos, spherical footage, and a vlogging setup. Built with fisheye lenses at the front and back of the camera, you can now capture in all directions and even from top to bottom. Like the Hero 8, it also has 4 digital lenses. Both are narrow, wide, and linear, but the Max is at a higher level with the Max Super View, the widest angle available in all of the GoPros. It is also waterproof, however, only up to 16 feet. It also has the Max Time Warp, and panoramic view is at 270 degrees. Audio capture is also at the next level because of the 6 built-in microphones. It also has on-screen shortcuts, which make the navigation across the functions practical. Plus, the voice commands allow for hand-free operation. The drawback of the GoPro Max is that you have to use a selfie stick, and it does not have a tripod mount. Another one is that it is expensive. But hey, if you're willing to invest, with all the features packed into this model, it will surely be worth it. Down to our last one is the best overall action camera, the GoPro Hero10 Black. Coming at $550, this Hero10 is packed with a lot of features. First, let's talk about what is common with the recent predecessor, the Hero9. The waterproof capability is also at 33 feet. It also has the time warp and the night lapse capability at 3.0 stabilization. Slow motion is also at 240 FPS at 1080p, plus the features of hindsight capture, live burst, and the schedule and duration capture. Now let's move on to what makes it stand out. The star of the show is the camera's all-new and improved processor. Now carrying the brand's latest processor, GP2, the Hero10 Black is considered to have dominated over its predecessors. This latest processor has a faster power up, speedy refresh rates, quick and responsive displays, plus lightning speed file transfers. File transfers can also be done in 3 ways. First, you have the automatic upload to the cloud. Second, you have the wireless transfer through Wi-Fi using the Quick app. And third, the wired connection using the USB cable. That improvement alone is enough to make the Hero10 stand out. But wait, there's more. Video quality is improved at 5.3K at 60 FPS. From the sharp videos that you take, you can grab stills with a stunning 19.6 MP resolution. For taking images, you will get 20 MP photos. GoPro is all about stabilization, right? So yes, it delivered with the Hero10 as it came with the all-improved Hyper Smooth 4.0 stabilization. With the 3.0 version, 27-degree tilts are easily smoothened. But with the newest version, you can go as inclined as 45 degrees, and the video will continue to be leveled. A new update on the firmware also allows a cooling feature for the camera. Lastly, a more durable lens is available as it is now made to be hydrophobic and scratch resistant. The only drawback to the Hero10 Black is that it is quite heavy, but in all fairness, they were able to cut the weight from the Hero9's 5.6 ounces to 5.3 ounces. That ends our suggestions of the best GoPro for you. The best mid-range GoPro, the best budget action camera, the best 360 action camera, and the best GoPro overall. Yes, it is not all the time the newest model is the best one, but in this case it is, because the latest Hero10 Black is jam-packed with the features of all its predecessors and stepped up to a whole new level. We introduced 4 options depending on their highlighted features to give you a leeway as to which ones are the best for you depending on your needs. Even though the overall standout is the Hero10, if what you need is a 360 camera, then you might have to choose the GoPro Max. If you want to stay within budget or to spend the least without having to trade off features, then the Hero8 might be for you. For vlogging, because of the dual screen and the fast processor, you might choose the 10, but if you would like to cut expenses, you also have the Hero9. Good luck on your next trip! But before you go, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more videos like this.